Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Health Architect, the healer of life. I am Dr.Shravani. So today's topic is going to be very interesting. We see these days people getting sick, falling sick. People are susceptible to various kinds of diseases. What is the reason for people falling sick these days? What is that thing that plays an important role for you and for each of us to prevent us from diseases? So today's topic is going to be about immunity and immune system.
So here is today's topic: immunity in health and disease.
So first, coming to the definition of immunity. What do you mean by immunity? Immunity is that balanced state of each and every organism, the multicellular organism. We all are multicellular organism. Multicellular meaning more than one cell. So humans are multicellular organism. So it is that balanced state of human beings or any other organism to fight against the disease. Immunity is that balanced state of an organism having adequate biological defenses to fight against the infections, to fight against the disease, and to fight against adequate unwanted biological invasion.
Now, as you can see in the given slide, the definition of the immunity is given. I've already explained this before. Immunity is a balanced state or the ability of every multicellular organism. We all are multicellular organism. So we have this ability to protect our body from biological pathogens, to fight against the infection, to kill the organism, to kill the bacteria, to kill the viruses, and various other unwanted biological invasion that are coming into the body. Our immune system first recognizes the threat that is coming or entering the body. We have that ability to recognize and then respond to the threat, to fight, to kill, and to throw away the organism out of the body. So as you can see in the given picture, there are various pathogens shown in the picture: viruses, toxins, carcinogens, fungi, pollution, bacteria, germs, and various parasites. There are mainly three functions of the immune system or the immunity. First is it recognizes the incoming threat, various microorganisms. First it recognizes, then it responds to the incoming threat or the microorganism. Third, it kills or it removes the pathogens out of the body. Immunity is the vital energy of the body, or it is the power of the body to fight against the invading substances or object. Immunity, initially it recognizes the threat coming to the body. Then it responds by producing various antibodies, various activated T cells, and ultimately it removes the foreign object or the pathogen out of the body.
Immunity also means that too much immunity is not good, and underactive immunity is also not good. It is the ability of the immune system to function in a balanced manner. It also requires, in case of allergies and autoimmune diseases, what happens is immunity is overactive. The cells of the body or the cells of the immunity act in a very high intensity, leading to allergic condition, leading to autoimmune diseases. What happens is the immune system gets overactive, and these immune system of our own body harms our own body cells. They harm the foreign body as well, but they harm body's own cells. So this results in autoimmune diseases. Also allergies. Immune system is overactive in this. So immunity is adequate tolerance of the body to avoid the allergic conditions or the allergies and autoimmune diseases. It is the ability to resist the entry of the pathogen or the microorganisms into the body. So what do you mean by microorganisms, and what are the microorganisms? Microorganisms is nothing but bacteria, viruses, parasites and other infectious agents like fungus, etc. So now we'll be dividing the immunity. So immunity is divided into two broad classifications. Okay, we'll make the topic of immunity very simple. Immunity, the first definition of the immunity one has understood. Now the classification of immunity. Immunity is broadly classified into two types. One is the innate immunity, that is inborn immunity of the organism. And second is the acquired immunity. It is also called as adaptive immunity.
There are certain factors which can result in boosting of the immunity, or it can also result in decreasing or harming the immunity. We will see or study the various factors in the upcoming lectures. What affects the immunity, what boosts the immunity, or what suppresses the immunity. We will also deal with conditions where your immunity is functioning excessively, that is called as autoimmune disease. And we will also study the allergic conditions, what happens to your immunity in allergic situation. And we will also study about conditions where there is less functioning of the immune system or suppressed function of your immunity. The immune system is broadly classified into two. First type is innate immunity, also called as inborn immunity. This is the first line of defense. This type of immunity is specially present during your birth. This is the evolutionary immunity one has achieved. Example, your skin, mucous membrane, the tears, mucus from the respiratory, gastrointestinal tract, etc. The second type of immunity is acquired, also called as adaptive immunity. This type of immunity is not inborn, but this type of immunity is achieved during a lifetime of a person, especially when a person is exposed to infectious agents or microorganisms. In the next lecture, we will be dealing with classification or types of immunity, that is the innate and the acquired immunity, and further classification of innate immunity and acquired immunity. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Please press the like button, comment and share the video if you liked. And stay tuned for my upcoming video lectures on immunity and other topics. Thank you. In the next